You remember last time you ate so much spinach?
I've got to tell you, I've especially been looking forward to this part. Nutrition was something that I've struggled with at home. I don't have time and I don't make great choices. So thank you for doing this. I'm really looking forward to learning some great recipes.
It's my pleasure. Well, nutrition changed my life and it became my career. But what I want to teach you today is things that you can easily implement into your life.
Okay.
I'm going to teach you like 10 minutes recipes with no special equipment. Even the child can do it.
Even big kids like me?
Even big kids like you.
All right.
So for first recipe is going to be coconut bowl, where we're using coconut yogurt with no additional ingredients, just coconut and probiotics.
So a good healthy portion.
This is a living cultures. There are billions of it in this portion.
You said billions.
Billions
With a
with a
B.
B. We're gonna prep some berries. It requires super simple preparation. And now we take a little blueberries.
I love the red and blue color contrast.
Now we take the golden berry. That wasn't too hard.
Gorgeous.
Now we put some walnuts on one side and cacao nibs on the other side. Wild raw agave. It has much lower glycemic index than either sugar or honey.
This looks so beautiful. I almost don't want to eat it. Billions of probiotics in one serving. That's more beneficial bacteria than most expensive supplements contain. Best of all, when you get probiotics from Whole Foods, they come with prebiotics too. It's like every spoonful is its own gut restoration kit. Well, it's nice to see an old familiar face. In addition to the easy user experience, the technology itself is also consistent with what we've been talking about in terms of our nutritional benefits, right?
Yeah.
Because we're not using any high-speed blades that generate friction or create heat, we get to preserve all of the minerals, antioxidants, and other really important essential nutrients in all of these great fresh foods that we're eating.
Yes, and this is an amazing way to consume that many vegetables. You remember last time you ate so much spinach?
And this is where the real magic happens. No heat, no high-speed blades destroying the cellular structure of the ingredients. We're extracting liquid nutrition in its most natural form. One glass of this gives you more vitamins and minerals than most people get from an entire day of convenience eating. Here's our fresh juice.
Nice color.
It is. You get that beautiful vibrant color because the juice has not been oxidized, and we've also preserved the maximum nutritional integrity. So in addition to our nutrition, we are getting the best possible flavors from all of these great fresh ingredients. Thank you very much for sharing everything with me. I'm glad that I really got to share at least a little bit of knowledge with you.
It is my absolute pleasure. I mean, I love eating healthy, but nothing feels better than sharing your knowledge and your meal with your loved ones.